EBC Digital Nest presents Drive-In Tips and Tricks. Meet our friend Macy. It's her first time at the Sacramento Drive-In, and by golly, she sure does look excited. To make sure our friend has a blast during her first time at the drive-in, how about we give her some tips and tricks? Tip number 1. Pack fun snacks and food. Oh no, looks like she ran out of Washingtons. We don't want Macy to get hungry. How about we give her some snacks we brought from home? Tip number 2. Bring lawn chairs. Yikes! Macy has no place to sit and no one likes getting their threads dirty. Let's bring her a chair to sit and relax in so she can enjoy the flick. Tip number 3. Pack extra jackets and blankets. Aw shucks, looks like it's getting pretty chilly out there. Luckily we brought some extra layers for her to use. Tip number 4. Bring a portable radio with fresh batteries. While silent films are exciting, we want Macy to get the most out of this experience. So let's give her one of these. Tip number 5. Bring friends. Now what other way to make this experience better by none other than enjoying it with friends? Just as our friend Macy learned how to enjoy herself at the Sacramento Drive-In, hopefully you at home were also able to learn some tips and tricks to get the most out of your drive-in experience.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave some love by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe here at EBC Digital Nest so you don't miss any of our upcoming features.